Hi, I'm Naveed, dog trainer at Dog Obey, and today I'm heading out to Noida to meet Vivek. Vivek has two indies by the name of Hope and Bliss. They are about the same age, around 1 year or some months more than that. Both are females, and so Vivek especially would like me to work with Bliss. So this dog, contrary to her name, creates quite a racket around people and dogs. So what Vivek mentions to me on the phone is that Bliss is in general a very high energy dog, and she's very much excited in most situations. So she's in general very excited around people. She is excited around dogs, and due to her high energy, she has also chewed a lot of furniture in the house. So she has habit of destructing the home items. Unfortunately, Bliss is also dog aggressive. So Vivek takes both the dogs to a dog park, and according to him, Bliss creates a lot of the problems there. She's aggressive towards certain dogs, and also is in general a bit of a bit tricky to manage around dogs in the dog park. Uh, and she is also at times aggressive towards Hope, the other female dog in their household. So what Vivek tells me is that Bliss has at least growled at Hope when she has come to Vivek's bedroom and Bliss is around. So I need to figure out. I first need to address her undue excitement problem. I need to create a exercise regimen to drain out her surplus energy, and also to work around that she's well behaved around other dogs and around Hope in general. So I need to work very closely with Vivek and his wife on addressing these problems. I do need to see how they manage these two dogs when they are in these kind of situations, and work my way after that. At least for Hope, the other dog, Vivek mentions that she is in general relatively calmer dog. Although he said on the phone that she tends to get a bit excited when Bliss starts getting excited and starts throwing her tantrums. So I need to gauge both the dog's energy and more importantly how Vivek is handling these dogs, and go from there. So one good thing, a rare thing in this case, at least for me, is that what Vivek says is that neither dog has bitten any humans. So that is more of an exception in the cases which I handle. But that's the good thing here. The reason why I say that is that uh, even if a dog is not biting people or other dogs, uh, it doesn't mean that the case is of grave nature, because clearly Bliss is giving warning signs. She's growling at Hope and getting into fights, aggressive towards other dogs in the dog park. So it has reached to a point where she's giving those warning signs to escalate to the next stage. So unlike us, dogs choose to bite only in the last, as a last bit of resort, and they give clear warning signs, which we of course as stupid humans ignore all the time, and the dog is forced to resort to biting as a coping mechanism. So that's where I need to work with Vivek on managing her around dogs and people, so that the situation doesn't escalate more. All right, so that's what I have. See you guys in Noida. Bye.
कौन है निकालो खोल दो।
हाँ मैं आ जाऊँ।
अंदर आओ, प्लीज अंदर आओ। हेलो
हेलो।
ये बाकी से करीब बंदे को मुंह में भी
हाँ प्यारी प्यारी बहुत प्यारी।
Hey. So, नहीं रहने दो। All this exciting. Hello, मैं नवेद, कैसे हैं? आपका क्या नाम है?
सॉरी
आपका नाम?
शुभांगी।
शुभांगी। विवेक से तो मैं नीचे मिला हूँ।
ये देखिए हमारे बेस्ट बचे हैं 2 चेयर।
हाँ, ये डिस्ट्रैक्शन का आप बता रहे थे।
2 बेस्ट चेयर बची हैं हमारी। पूरा सोफा था यहाँ पे 6 चेयर्स थी, हाई ऐसी हाई
5 सीटर सोफा एवरीथिंग।
So ये नीट लुक जो है वो because
Because of this.
because of this you have the
हाँ बाबा निकाल दे।
alright. So
जाओ 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 जाओ।
लगा दीजिए।
इधर आओ, इधर आओ।
तो शुभांगी ये सब चेयर्स पेयर कर देते हैं।
नहीं ये वाली छोड़ी हुई है बट जो अपहोल्स्टर्ड था वो सब एंड प्लस जितने हमारे मीटर्स थे
बेसिकली फोम बहुत ज्यादा कट है।
राइट। अच्छा कुशन्स।
जैसे इसमें भी देखिए आप क्वेश्चन सारे फाड़े
जी,
हुए
जी,
हैं
जी।
उन्होंने और
So who is who? Tell me.
ये this है।
हाँ।
ये वैसे वो होप है।
Oh, so that's bliss.
ऐसे ही खेलते रहते हैं, दिन भर खेलते रहते हैं।
Okay. Uh,
ये करना
आप do you do anything to manage this?
we've tried everything trust me. We've
Okay.
tried
So
sprays,
what have you tried?
shoe spray and shoe spray everything
हाँ।
we tried.
हमने तो cover करना start किया।
हाँ, we had covered all the furniture.
Covered the furniture.
हाँ।
So that's basically hiding the problem, but not
इसको
addressing
जल्दी
it.
करेक्ट करना। ब्लिस का तो क्या है कि ब्लिस को अब जाके तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो समझने लगी कि हाँ उसको
So you said this is hope.
this is hope।
Wow.
ये सब जानती है।
So right now, what I heard from you on the phone is Bliss is in general more excited,
हाँ।
but right now Hope is the one who is
No.
more excited.
Hope is the more loving and everything। दोनों loving बहुत हैं। ये आएगी तो सबको खूब ज्यादा प्यार
Yeah,
करेगी।
but see that's what leads to problems. So you see what I'm immediately doing. I'm allowing her to smell. So I have met my strays in the morning, so she can smell all those 6 strays. I'm fine with that. But the moment she enters my physical, just like you would do, if I enter, you will. So that's actually
बस ये कभी
addressing the situation. इस पे भी लगा दीजिए आप. इस पे भी लगा दीजिए.
No.
कोई बताना पड़ेगा।
So Shubhangi, while Vivek is doing that, आप मुझे बताइए आपको क्या इश्यूज हैं इन दोनों के साथ, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है?
She has to stop destruction. She has destroyed everything from our contact lenses.
Which one are you talking about? Hope?
The everyone. Hope is very disciplined. She even if I say no once, she will stop.
So Bliss is the one who
This is
destroyed
the
all
one
this.
who destroys everything.
Okay. So एक destruction of items है.
हाँ.
Anything else?
हमने
आपका
plants हमारे
expectation?
डिस्ट्रॉय किए थे।
हाँ?
डिगिंग कर दी है होप वहाँ जाके।
हाँ।
ये दोनों डिगिंग बहुत करते हैं वहाँ पे।
Okay.
पार्क में जाके।
Alright.
जो हम चाहते हैं कि थोड़ा रुक जाए, ठीक है, बट
हाँ।
दैट्स नॉट द टॉप प्रायोरिटी। टॉप प्रायोरिटी जो हमारे घर का डिस्ट्रक्शन है वो है।
जी जी.
और दूसरा जैसे ब्लिस का क्या है कि ये वहाँ जाते हैं हम तो जैसे कुछ डॉग्स के साथ तो बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन कुछ डॉग्स के तो पीछे ही पड़ जाएगी।
If you
So
see,
she's aggressive.
She has got all scratches here.
कल
because
हमारे
इसकी
फ्रेंड
दो
ने
dogs से
बहुत अच्छे
ज़्यादा
फ्रेंड
लड़ाई
है,
हुई है.
Okay.
उनके भी 2 इंडीज हैं, उनसे लड़ती जा रही है, होप उसे रोक के जा रही है कि
So
मत
I
कर।
need to see that behavior आज जब पार्क में चलेंगे. But how? What is the level of aggression there? She just barks and growls,
No,
or
no,
is it
no,
actually
she will
fights?
fight,
She will fight.
हाँ, मतलब प्रॉपर इनका फिजिकल का
मतलब
जो
जैसे
है,
इंडीज है वहाँ पे जो स्ट्रेज हैं, उनके पास जाती है, अगर कोई इससे बैक ऑफ कर जाता है
then she's fine.
तो फाइन है, नहीं तो अगर वो भागेगा तो उसके पीछे दौड़ती
So
रहेगी।
what is? I mean, has she been bitten by anybody,
No,
or
no.
has she bitten anybody?
No, no, no.
Not. But she is aggressive.
She
Okay.
she just wants कि मेरी एक बार वो अगर दूसरा डॉग रिटेलिएट कर देगा and if the other dog is
हाँ, वो
growling,
बात करते तो चुप हो जाएगा।
then
Okay.
she's back.
And you're talking about Bliss.
हाँ।
How is she with
She's
the?
very fine. She plays
She's
with
okay.
everybody. She's good with strays. She's good with.
हाँ, अगर होप में भी आप एक प्रॉब्लम कहेंगे तो जैसे कार में बैठी होती है तो
Then
जितने
she
डॉग्स
loves
दिखेंगे
them.
उन पे बात करेंगी,
Okay.
जितने काउस दिखेंगी,
Alright.
dogs
So
दिखेंगी।
आज देखते हैं वो क्या है. Alright.
She's biting.
Also, you said कि ये थोड़ा she gets aggressive when Hope comes to your bedroom.
तो जैसे आप यहाँ पे आते हैं ठीक है,
इवन हमारा मेट्रेस फाड़ दिया इन्होंने कल।
Can I come inside?
हाँ हाँ sure.
हाँ इधर तो बचा ही नहीं है तो कभी वेटिंग
She is very possessive about this room.
Yeah. So she's the one who does, and she doesn't allow her to enter.
हाँ, she doesn't allow her to enter.
शी द सबमिसिव वन
हाँ,
Okay.
she doesn't.
So when you guys are inside, she doesn't allow her to enter.
Mostly.
Okay.
Mostly. Because when they are alone, I think they are fine.
Okay.
पता
All
नहीं
right.
हाँ, मतलब
Because
कैमरा
night
तो लगाया बट
में,
हमने
हाँ, night में she is the one who starts growling as soon as she moves over here.
Okay. So I need to address that also. So clearly she's protecting you. I need to see.
us for protecting her,
Her food or something,
resources,
because
her
she
food.
takes
ये
food
यहाँ
and
से
then she
अपना
takes our
खाना ले
food to her
जाके
bed
उसको
and then
पानी
she
से
Yeah. So
करते
this
हैं।
is
ये तो
food bowl for
water
both of them.
water
है।
bowls हैं।
Food bowl कहाँ है?
बहुत सारे bowls हैं
वॉशरूम में
हमारे
रखे
पास।
हुए तो ये है।
Okay. Yeah. So she protects the food bowl also.
The food bowl. She'll pick up food from food bowl. She'll go and she'll try to dig inside the mattress and put it inside the mattress.
Awesome. Okay. So destruction of items, aggression on dogs. She doesn't allow her to get inside. Hope the other one gets a bit excited. Is the mind you're putting it in the car.
Next side आप देखना कितने energetic हैं।
Okay.
And the fourth very important
जी.
thing. Today morning she just jumped on her
हाँ
knee.
ब्लिस ने आज
Bliss.
हमारी पे जंप किया ऐसे
Okay. What was she made doing?
She was just coming inside the room. वो जब deep sleep में होती है ना,
हम्म.
तो उस समय अगर वो
Okay. छोड़ दो विवेक छोड़ दो आप.
तो आज उसने मेट पे जंप किया जैसे हमारे भैया आए थे.
So this is
behind him for 2 days.
okay. So this is one instance. See, if you are rewarding her when she is doing negative behavior, then it reinforces that behavior, right? So right now, she is not completely confident, and she's spinning her against you. So she wants that support from you, right? So I will show you how to manage that. So our goal is कि they don't get from a scale of 1 to 10 to 3 or 2. We want her. This is much still slightly better. We want them to be calm all around. Okay. All right. ठीक है.
तो आपका मजे पार्टी
हाँ कोई बात नहीं वो देख लो. शुभांगी कोई am I the first trainer या पहले भी you have had?
The first trainer. Before this, we have tried a few things like sit, stay,
Hmm.
eat on order. वो सब चीजें हमने की उसके साथ.
Which is the
Seconds उसने कर दिया
किसने Bliss ने या Hope ने?
Bliss is the one.
Bliss is the one.
काट दिया उसने।
Okay. All right.
मतलब पता ही नहीं चला कब कर देती है
Okay. All right.
There are 3 remotes in 3 days she has to do.
Okay.
3 days की remote.
मतलब अभी आपने मिर्च लगा रखी है उसके ऊपर रिमोट्स के ऊपर
Okay. All right. So we will address her problem with the chewing thing. आप कितना इसको वॉक दोनों को वॉक कराते हैं?
1 hour, 1.5 hour daily. And they are crazy running whole time.
In the dog park.
Yeah.
Before that, do you do any exercise? Taking them to the dog park? Okay. All right. So we need to address that. Okay. ठीक है.
होप थोड़ा इसके सामने कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाए ना कभी कभी होप ऐसा लगता है जैसे डर डर के साइड में बॉल से चिपक
कॉर्नर्स
गई
में
है
जो बॉल पे ऐसे
Hope.
करके
किस सिचुएशंस में?
जैसे
वो ग्राउल कर रही है जैसे हल्का सा वो
हाँ।
growl
या
करती
जैसे
है।
खाना देने का टाइम हो रहा है
Hmm.
तो ये थोड़ा सा बॉसी हो जाती है उस समय
Okay.
एक्चुअली मेरे को एक लगता है एक प्रॉब्लम जो हो सकता है आप बताइए क्या ये प्रॉब्लम है हमने क्या किया ना हमने इनको ट्रेन कराया कि होप वहाँ पुट करे उस बालकनी में
जी.
और ब्लिस यहाँ करे
Right.
ठीक है तो इसके लिए हमने ब्लिस को यहाँ खाना देना शुरू किया अपने बेडरूम में
Okay.
तो प्रॉब्लली इसकी वजह से ये हमारा बेडरूम प्रोटेक्ट करती है
Well, I need. So what my plan of action is?
हाँ
I have some idea of what the problems are. I will start building a foundation with both you. Okay, and after that we'll go through everything, one by one of the problems. We'll start preparing your checklist and we'll address them one by one. One of the other things आपने मुझे parking lot में बोला था कि ये one of them has some problems in the vet.
हाँ ये
Which
डरती है
one?
बहुत ज़्यादा।
Hope.
मतलब वो डरती है वो तो एकदम सबमिसिव हो जाती है ये गुस्सा करती है
Okay, and she doesn't. She gets a bit upset when they inject.
हाँ हाँ
Injection
बहुत
के
गुस्सा
टाइम।
होती है उसको बिल्कुल इंजेक्शन का बेड के मारना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आता इसको
Okay. What about Bliss? She's
This
okay.
is very scared. She gets very scared वहाँ पे हो
We don't even have to muzzle her to get the drips or
Injection.
anything. But this one, so we can't even get a
Yeah,
name
but
slip.
if she is scared, Shubhangi, it's not actually a very good thing also. A scared dog tends to get aggressive or react more than a purely aggressive dog, a territorial dog, right? Because they are reacting out of fear, right? So we will address all that. Our goal is to make them both calm and balanced. Okay, sounds good. So let's go for a walk now.
चलो हाँ मैं भी चाबी दे चल भी ब्लिस 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 इधर आओ आ जाओ चलो चलो
इसको कैसे बंद?
हाँ इतना बदल जाएगा लिस्ट नहीं निकालना है उसको आज लिस्ट सोच रही ईवा लगा के लाती है ना मजल
So generally,
No.
आप दोनों जाते हैं वॉक पे. You one person manages.
दोनों जाते
हैं.
And
बोलो बस.
so is there one caregiver who manages specifically one dog, or you reverse exchange roles?
चेंज कर लेते हैं बट मोस्टली क्योंकि हैवी है ना
हाँ.
तो इसको मैं पकड़ता हूँ
So you manage Hope and she manages Bliss. Okay. So walk आप कब सुबह और शाम को जाते हैं?
Only-
मेरे ख्याल से
Only
फुल
the evening.
इवनिंग में
इवनिंग में.
और कम से कम 1 घंटा तो मिनिमम है 1.5 घंटा भी होता है 2 घंटा भी जाता है कभी-कभी।
Yeah, but that's leaving them in the dog park. So
Ah,
we are
yeah.
not actually
we're not
walking
walking with them.
Yeah, so
Ah,
that's
we are
one of the
Leaving them off the leash.
one of the keys
ओके ओके
to the problem.
ठीक है ठीक है
So we are getting them to the party
हाँ हाँ
Hmm.
in this energy,
right.
right?
I understand what you're saying
Right. So, but
ओह आज तो बड़ा डिप्रेस होके बैठ गई
Given up.
शी इज नॉट दिस डिप्रेस्ड काइंड
हाँ.
शी इज दैट सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं इसको वहां पे क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा क्यूट एंड नॉटी
yeah,
है
so she will show her true colors there. She's just gathering her energy for there.
और
सांस लेने में
अभी
problem
अभी
नहीं
इज
होगी
एक्चुअली द गुड टाइम इसका डॉग से बिहेवियर देखने का
Ah, I need to see. that.
बिकॉज अभी क्या है ना वहाँ पे वो डॉग्स आएंगे जिनके साथ ये इतना खेलती नहीं है क्योंकि इनका जो टाइम है उस समय जो डॉग्स आते हैं उनके साथ तो फेमिलियर
Friendly
है
है, हाँ.
Ah, I see.
अभी नए डॉग्स आए होंगे कुछ और भी आए हो सकते हैं मतलब आए भी हो सकते हैं नहीं भी आए हो सकते हैं
So
तो
just
बहुत है।
point me out the dogs वो जिनके साथ इन दोनों को प्रॉब्लम है. And
इसको तो नहीं होती किसी के साथ भी
चलो चलो चलो. No, 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 please walk.
हो कुल फिर अंकल करेंगे बताइए
No, Lizzy. Lizzy, चलो 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 चलो. फोन तो लाया क्या?
आप लोग वैसे वॉक पे कितने बजे जाते हो?
हम जाते हैं 8 o'clock रात में.
Oh, very late.
8 to 9, 9:30.
बहुत गर्म हो जा रहा है ना
हाँ हाँ.
जाओ।
No, Lizzy. चलो.
So why do you have to lift her?
She doesn't climb.
She doesn't climb.
No.
वो
Okay.
पता नहीं अब हैबिट सा बन गया है तो
And you didn't have to pick up Hope.
होप को बस वो करा बस
थोड़ा सा.
बैक लेग्स
So they don't
Hop
hop by themselves. Okay, so we need to change that
बेड में
also.
तो चढ़ते हैं
Bed
तो
में
हाँ
they do
यहाँ पे नहीं
stuff.
Yeah,
चढ़ते
so
वो।
bed is their territory, right? So in fact, that's what we don't want. Bed, she's claiming that.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Here, she's saying, you know, all right. So, what happens in the car? Just very quickly, Vivek. Are they okay in the car, or they create a ruckus throughout the way?
No, they will bark throughout
बाग
the
अगर
ship.
कोई
This
डॉग
one will bark.
दिखेगा
हाँ.
मतलब इवन अगर हमें 10 मिनट शॉपिंग करनी है
Hmm.
तो हम ये विंडोज थोड़ी थोड़ी खोल के कर सकते हैं अपना सो भी जाते हैं
Okay.
Car
But
में।
they see any animal, they start barking.
हाँ
Okay.
हाँ,
एनिमल
then
देख के
they
बात
start.
करते
All right. So let's meet there.
हैं जैसे ये सही है ये सब खेलती है
No.
वो करेंगे गुंडा
उसको attack करती है, वो क्या करती है?
Yeah, but not necessarily. You saw her reaction, right?
हाँ बता कि होप वोंट डू एनीथिंग होप इज प्लेफुल
So what do you do to manage that, Shubhangi?
हम खेल के जाते हैं
Generally,
खींचने
pull her
जाते हैं
back and lift her up and take her inside.
Yeah, so I will show you a better way. So
मतलब we want कि इन बच्चों को परेशान ना करें ना बेचारे.
yeah, but see that reaction is not very good
Okay.
because you guys are not taking charge. She gave a warning, the growling of the teeth and all, right? The next would have been a bite. A more assertive dog would have bit her, no problem at all, and they don't care about size. So we need to manage that, right? So see the reaction, she is moved away. All right, चलिए आप जहाँ भी walk करते हैं आप चलिए.
मैं इनको लीज पे ही रखूँ या छोड़ दूँ?
No, no, definitely on the leash. What do you generally do, Vivek?
Let them off the leash inside.
So,
They run like for 1.5 hours.
okay, so show me the point where you leave them.
तो हाँ नाविक, this is one very important thing.
हाँ.
We want कि हम इन्हें कॉल करें और ये पूछ जाए. Because हमें ये डर लगता है कि यहाँ से भाग ना जाए. ये दोनों
Okay.
का प्रॉब्लम है.
All right.
ये गेट हम बंद करते हैं, बाकी गेट किसी ने बंद नहीं किया है, क्योंकि उनको पता है उनके डॉगीज मान जाएंगे.
Right. So, what I mean, if they run away. Have they ever run away?
Yeah, they chase
तो
these
आती है ना
dogs,
यहाँ
stray
पे, ये
dogs and
आती है
all.
दौड़ दौड़ के.
And they don't even realize they are on the main road. Once they were outside that gate.
बाहर पहुँच गई दौड़ दौड़ के.
Okay. All right.
चलो
So let's
चलो,
go.
चलो.
Nice. So, this is a nice dog park. First dog park I've been to.
I think they are coming.
Excuse me, please गेट लगा दीजिएगा. Thank you.
आप जहाँ वे
तो यहीं पे छोड़
यहीं पर छोड़ देते हो आप. Okay. Let me see the reaction with dogs on the leash first.
No, please no. Vivek? Vivek?
Vivek.
Vivek?
एक बार वो डॉग से मैं देखता हूँ रिएक्शन. कैन वी मीट वन और टू डॉग्स?
Bliss देखो. Bliss कौन है देखो. इधर आओ.
Vivek, can we meet those dogs?
This is the reaction. It's a new dog, she does this.
What about her?
ये नहीं करेगी.
She will not bite unless she's growling on somebody.
So you see the reaction. That husky is clearly not comfortable, and he or she is giving warning signs that I don't like you guys to approach me with this energy. But at the same time, आप लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. Neither that caregiver is. He doesn't have to because his dog is perfectly okay. So she joined in that, right? But she's the one who.
Always.
Right. So first, what I have to do is work with her and her to imprint कि कैसे dog से मिलना है, and then I'll bring you guys in. So at this stage, generally you leave the dogs.
हाँ यहाँ पे आते हैं, यहाँ पे इनके फ्रेंड्स खेल रहे होते हैं. मतलब ये इनका
So, but they must be behaving like this or run
Dogs
करते हैं.
that come at daytime at 8 p.m. they are fine with those dogs. But other time if we are if there is a new dog or if we come at some other time then they are behaving like this. They
Okay,
मतलब
so-
वो नहीं वो नहीं
Okay, so
This.
take off the leash. Let me see what they do actually.
आज की एनर्जी बहुत हल्की हो गई.
आइए शुभांगी.
And actually half of her energy has been pulling that off.
Bliss का?
Otherwise she would have attacked 2 or 3 dogs by now.
Oh, she does that. Okay. So it's very lucky that she has not been bitten by any
She has
dog yet.
gotten scratched. Even yesterday she got scratches over her tummy.
Acha,
She has a lot
from
of
another dog.
scratches. हाँ, because
Okay.
she went first to attack him and then obviously he retaliated.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Wait, उसका muzzle. उसका muzzle. She's chewing her muzzle.
so basically they kind of explore this area, run
Yeah,
around
they
for
run
1
around.
hour,
Yes, yes, for 1
and then
hour.
you guys take them home back.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, वो husky को attack ना करो यार.
Oh, you are going to open the door?
Hi,
Hi, Vivek.
Hi.
All
They're
right.
sitting there.
Hi, Shubhangi.
Hi, Ravi.
Nice. All right.
Big difference from the first day.
Yeah, big difference for sure. So I remember them just jumping at me on day one.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So what's the well? Get her back to the same reference position, and then you need to show me how you introduce them to guest. That's okay.
Yeah. Now you can sit somewhere.
I can
And
sit
I'll
and.
bring them.
So can you bring them to meet the guest? Just make sure they don't jump.
They are fighting for their affections.
Yeah. So they were fighting on day one also, but it was more of excited, excitement. Look at Bliss.
They were not the aggressive kind, but like
Yeah, it was, but-
hyper excited.
Yeah.
I mean, it became inconvenient for guests.
So what's the situation now? How are they behaving with guests and everything?
Very good now.
Uh-huh.
I can make them sit, I can tell them what to do, how to behave,
Hmm.
and
Plus,
it's much
every
easier to
time
manage.
the bell used to ring.
They used to
Hmm.
run
Yeah, they used
to the door
run
barking.
like crazy.
Yeah.
and
Now,
bark.
at times they won't even bother. They just sit
They're
there.
just sleeping or sitting.
Sometimes one of them will go and investigate, but most of the times they'll just keep sleeping
Yeah.
with wherever they are.
Okay. So
And
Even
if
for
one
the
of them
maids, it
goes,
was so
we
difficult.
just body block them and
Right.
invade the space and bring them
Okay.
Bring it back.
so no challenge as of yet for the guest
Yes, situation and
delivery guys.
Yeah,
They are
Our
okay?
cook used to come in the morning. This
Who?
cook. So
Uh.
this younger one used to jump on her daily. Now she's
Uh-huh.
not doing that.
Okay. So do you have to manage that or does she?
And sometimes we
No,
don't even have to say
we don't
some-
have to manage that.
Okay.
them.
Nice.
Mostly not. Sometimes she gets a little excited. Otherwise,
Okay. So she has definitely calmed out more than Hope. All right. So, looks good, guys. So let's go for a walk now. Okay.
Hi, will you be able to close the door?
Yeah.
पुश करना है इसको.
Both doors.
हाँ.
तुम्हारे पास चाबी है ना?
हाँ.
See how calmly they're walking now.
Yeah, for sure.
This is the place where they sit. I mean, ये stairs के पास you make them sit while we're waiting for the lift.
As opposed to what earlier they used to. I don't remember what happened in the first video I shot. So
Stand here like
We used to
this.
stand here and
wiggle
they used
around.
to face the lift
Okay.
and bark on everybody who used to come out of the lift.
So are they doing that now? How are they behaving in the lift or exiting the lift?
Lot better, huh?
I mean, there is that brown doggy, right? You know,
Yeah.
who sits right here.
Hmm.
So they sit here, right? So they can see her,
Hmm.
but still they sit.
And there's
Okay.
no leash pulling.
But earlier
no
to they used to
coming.
bark and growl on her.
Make sure you get them all the way to the back so that the others can enter. I hate this fan. It makes so much noise. Oh, you guys want fan or?
No, no,
you
no.
are
It's
outside?
okay. It's okay.
So this one used to always be standing. Now she comes in
Yeah.
the position.
She's
I was
more
noticing.
in relaxed too now.
She
More
must
than
be in
Hope.
relaxed too position.
So
For
she
sure.
compared to Hope, because she goes more.
So she
with-
was the one who was more
More naughty
excited.
and excited.
Bliss.
Right, right.
I mean, she was the reason why
Why?
we reached out to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मतलब होप के साथ तो everything was manageable.
Mhm.
Challenges जो थे मतलब obviously according to you she wasn't good and everything. We understand आप लोग के standards, but वो manageable था. But this was not manageable. This तो बहुत tough होता जा रहा था.
Yeah. Okay, so I will follow you guys.
तो यहाँ पे वो बैठी रहती है वो
Okay.
ground वाली.
वहाँ पे
Yeah, that's okay. You can exit. She's okay. Yeah. Go ahead, guys. Right. So in the car, Bliss is more well behaved.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Some quirks they have.
So dog park chal rahe, right?
हाँ.
Okay, good. Do you guys go on trips with them? Have you gone or
Yes, we went to Rishikesh. They played in the river and everything.
did they? Okay.
Yeah.
They like the water.
हाँ, अरे उसके बाद ब्लिस को कोल्ड हो गया.
Uh-huh.
We had another trip lined up immediately उसके बाद. पूरा cancellation करना पड़ा इसको.
Oh. So she got sick at Rishikesh.
While coming.
While coming
Ah,
back.
okay.
We went in December ना.
Hmm.
So they played in the river and everything.
Hmm.
तो इसको ठंड लग गई.
Hmm. Hey. You can drop the leash, Shubhangi. If they bark at dogs or other things, then you need to correct. Otherwise, it's fine. Get those seat belts, guys, for them so that so that they don't.
I just keep forgetting stuff.
Hey.
अभी नाविद इनकी ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट करने से पहले वी वर प्लानिंग इनको कहीं लेके जाने की.
Hmm.
बट देन वी रियलाइज कि अभी ना ये बहुत खराब बिहेव करते हैं.
Hmm.
तो देन वी थॉट कि पहले ट्रेनिंग होगी, पहले इनको थोड़ा मोर डिसिप्लिन बनाया जाएगा. देन ओनली वी कैन टेक देम.
How were they on the trips in the car?
इन द कार
हाँ.
कार में स्टार्टिंग में तो होप डज दिस बार्किंग थिंग राइट. इफ शी शी
So
सीज द
starting
डॉग
half an
for
hour,
half an hour,
1
but then she
Then
settles
she
down.
settled down because
Okay.
she's
So is that going on now also? Barking in the car?
अभी देखो ना,
See, she hasn't
अभी
barked
तक
even
देखो,
once.
she see that dog क्यों bark.
Okay.
because,
So
यहाँ
make sure,
पे
guys,
she's
when you go out on the trip, make sure they are properly drained, right? Before you head out to a trip.
यहाँ से वॉक करके ले आ लेते हैं.
हाँ, यहाँ से वॉक करता हूँ.
हैं? फिर hey,
Right.
पीछे ले लेता हूँ, फिर अंदर डाल देगा तो.
Hey. One by one.
How will you jump?
Vivek, why don't you get the a leash all the way up, like Shubhangi has done?
High excitement zone.
Yeah, make sure you control that excitement. Huh?
Biggest exam of this.
Yeah. They are coming here after what, like 12, 15 days?
10 days, around 10 days.
Okay. Good entry.
The moment she sees just
Is this the only dog park here?
I mean, the authority, the designated dog park for dogs to यही है.
Okay.
Park for dogs to यही है.
It's a good one actually.
This is not part of the dog park.
Yeah. But you guys have a lot of options for park, which is rare. I mean, not just dog park, but parks in general. क्या हुआ? All right. So there is a dog. So just make sure you manage both of them. Well, just tug her and avoid that excitement and move on. Right? Good job, guys. So you don't allow them to get fixated on the dogs, right? Before they get fixated to lunge at them, you move on. You tug and move on. Yeah. Oh, there's another one, another dog on the left. So did these guys used to meet these dogs?
Hope used to meet, but with excitement, not like this. She used to fight.
She used to fight with these.
I
Who?
mean,
Which?
even,
Bliss or Hope?
Bliss used to fight, and all these guys also used to come and gang up on Bliss.
Okay.
Earlier.
Did
Now they have also become calmer seeing her energy.
yeah. So he's actually watching, but
but
they sense your energy
they
first.
are all wary of Bliss ना. वो बहुत परेशान करती थी इनको.
Huh.
आप परेशान कर रही है.
Okay.
इधर कुछ अंदर छाया है.
So you understand it's basically your energy which they sense first. If you are in control of your dogs, then they are fine.
We never entered the park like this. It was always they were
ऐसे.
pulling me and I was
ऐसे
dragging it.
Make sure how you manage it. So that's good. Make her sit again. So that's good, right? You get those challenges and only then you learn, right? So in
Earlier we did
the,
not know how to manage it.
yeah, so in this case, Shubhangi, you did the right thing. In the previous case, we moved beyond that excitement, we tugged and moved. In this case, the dog is moving, right? So you make them sit. You prevent that excitement before they hit. And I actually didn't know that dog had entered.
So the thing is now feel कि we have the tools to
Yeah.
handle these situations.
Right.
And much better.
And they have become handleable basically. Otherwise they would not listen and they would just
Yeah.
jump.
So it's good, right? It doesn't have to be always in black and white that you
Right, exactly.
you have 100% wins, but you learn from that. I learn from these things also, right?
So let's run. कहाँ पे छाया हुई है?
Well, let's walk for a while, and then we will. I want to see how they are. Where's your friend? She comes to this dog park, right?
अभी they won't come ना. अभी तो it's too
They
early.
will come at
Acha.
around
अभी
8, 8:30.
too hot ना.
Oh, okay.
अभी 6:30 तक there'll be a lot of people here.
Acha.
Sunday भी है.
Okay, so when was the last time they came to this dog park?
They came about 1 week or 5 days back. शायद.
5 days. How were they?
शायद. हाँ, they were very good.
Were there dogs around?
They met their friends.
They met
Okay.
their friends. There was one stray also. We were able to manage this one.
How did all those meetings go? They were okay or? Okay.
I mean, even everyone was saying it's a very different sight to see you guys enter silently. and
All our friends were there, right?
Uh-huh.
So what they used to do, they used to like pull, and the moment we left them, they used to dash.
Okay.
So what I did was I made them sit,
Mm.
both of them.
Mm.
I was handling both of them myself. Okay, Shubhi was behind me.
Okay.
She was talking to one of the friends. So I made them sit. Their friends came. Then I released them, and then they started running.
Okay, but you make sure you drain them, and then only if you want to release them, then that's fine. I would still recommend not to release them because they are very excited dogs. So this dog park represents a lot of excitement. Maintain them under your charge, under your leadership. Drain them before they come here to the dog park, and then under your guidance you walk them. What I would recommend for a first few days, now since today is my last day for training, you walk them here on leash all the time. Once you become comfortable that you are able to, you let them off leash and they are okay, then you can let them off. But every time make sure they are drained first outside and then this. So this should always be a rare treat, the dog park, not a normal course. Okay. All right, let's go. It doesn't have much walking trail though. Like it's some.
Actually, if you go there.
Acha, on the side.
हाँ, there is a lot. वहाँ पे पीछे there is पूरा trees का they go inside.
Okay.
These are two swimming pools also.
Where?
ये swimming pool है. अभी they'll fill it with water ना.
Okay.
अभी winter के बाद से इन्होंने भरा ही नहीं. So a lot of dogs swim in this.
Uh-huh. Do they swim in this pool?
They didn't like it.
They didn't like
They
it.
were
Okay.
little scared of water.
Uh-huh.
Shallow water होता तो देखो.
Okay.
मतलब सिर्फ इतना होगा ना तो they'll go. इतना
Okay.
होगा तो they won't go.
All right. So I can probably show you, but again, getting into the pool also, you can try doing in your own pool somewhere
Okay.
with you guiding them.
Uh-huh.
Right? If you guide them the proper way, then they get comfortable with the water in the pool.
We would love that if you can tell us how to introduce
Yeah,
them to the water.
maybe I will do it some other time, right? But
So this is
So-
the walking trail. यहाँ पे ऐसा हाँ लाना.
okay,
So it's fine if we walk both of them.
come Vivek, let's go. Why don't you guys both go? Good. A little boost. Does she also have a problem with legs?
No.
Okay. Hope has. What happened to her? Is it
Like eating patella.
okay?
This is some disorder with the bone.
Okay.
By birth she has it.
So for Hope, you need to, for medical reasons, give a slight boost.
Step up.
For
That
Bliss,
one
what's
we need
happening?
to
She
train.
needs a bit boost, but at least you don't have to carry her.
I don't
अब
have
तो
to take
बिल्कुल.
the...
Okay, so that's good. Okay, let's go.
Now I do share all the pre and post training videos with her.
I will for
also.
sure. You will actually I will post it on my website.
Parents also.
Huh?
We'll show
Being
it to
shown
our
to our
parents
parents
also.
कि देखो कितना फर्क आ गया करके.
Well, I think if you walk with them, they will be able to see the difference. I mean, I am pretty stoked, especially what you told me about the vet, that you were able to
it was-
get her to the vet,
Right.
and she
Very
didn't growl or
pleasant for
bite.
me also कि ये चुपचाप से लगवा के आ गई वापस.
Yeah, so that's
मैंने
a
तो
big
पूछा भी
thing.
नहीं क्योंकि मुझे नहीं उम्मीद थी कि ऐसा हुआ होगा.
Not even ask.
Because she went alone.
even I didn't know. I mean, you guys said that that was a problem. We didn't work on it, but you know, just like weight loss, it gets resolved once you develop a wholesome personality for a dog. So good job, Shivangi. That was a good welcome surprise for me.
Thanks to you, Javed. We did not know how to manage it basically, but after training बहुत resolved हुए, काफी सारे issues resolved हुए.
So
और
you guys did
especially
most of the
हमारे
work.
लिए जो chewing का एटलीस्ट वी नो अभी कैसे करना है
Yeah.
तो
So chewing and all, I will ask you guys once we walk.
हाँ जी.
I will ask you what the status is, where we are. So वहीं साइड में पार्क कर लेंगे
हाँ,
क्या?
उधर ही बाहर पार्क कर लेंगे
See, Hope hasn't barked. नहीं
Yeah.
तो ये आते जाते both the time she used to
अभी
bark
भी
like
यहाँ पे
crazy.
2 बच्चे बैठे रहते हैं
हाँ,
उनको
वहाँ
बात
पे तो
करेगी।
बहुत ज़्यादा बात करती थी. पूरा गेट से निकल के पूरा वहाँ गेट तक पहुँचने तक भी बात.
Did Bliss also used to bark?
नहीं नहीं
वो-
She didn't. So this girl used to bite.
हाँ ब्लेस अच्छा बिहेव करती थी
So do you guys have your favorites with them, or
No, no, both of them are favorites.
you're saying that for the video, or?
नहीं नहीं, अच्छा you are favorites.
Yeah, you know, no, I understand. Even for me,
Both of
none of my strays are
हमारा
favorite.
kids यार
Jeannie was Jeannie was the eldest one. So Jeannie
Yeah.
is also there.
Yeah, she'll always be
She'll
there.
always be there.
hey you're spoiling
One
your
bar.
own
Image.
So at least you are able to manage that,
Yeah.
right? So that's good, right? We don't need black and white. We need
Right.
some challenges to learn. यहीं करें क्या?
इधर रुक लेते हैं। आप लोग उतर जाओ पहले
अच्छा जगह नहीं मिली. So, all right. Let me exit. I will close
There
the
is
door.
a lot of space.
हो जाएगा.
I'll take out this to take out Hope.
So Hope doesn't have a problem getting out in her legs. It's the okay.
earlier तो she used to limp
हाँ, she used to limp
Okay.
starting 6 months. She used to.
तो
Okay.
उसका बहुत ट्रीटमेंट चला है
All right. Why don't you adjust the leash before we go for the walk? क्या हुआ?
I'm just showing you that if I stop she immediately sits down
So, yeah, so that's good.
रन करेगा
पार्क में चलते फिर रन करेंगे. So definitely more relaxed now, right? In sense of walking, no pulling, tugging on the leash. Okay. So you guys are running them daily? How many times?
मतलब मॉर्निंग एंड
Hmm.
इवनिंग once it
Morning once and once in evening? Okay. Get those weighted.
Oh.
Do the weighted runs. I think especially for Bliss, she has more energy for sure. Good.
We've seen it after training, she's calmed down in the house also.
Ah.
Yeah. So they develop a global personality for sure.
Immediately she sits.
Yeah. That's good.
But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा tired हो गई है Bliss. आजकल दौड़ नहीं रही है.
That's what we want. A tired dog is a good dog, a balanced dog.
I read this somewhere.
Yeah, for sure. See, that's the key. Proper exercise regimen and with proper structure, which you guys are doing, right? That's all they need. All right, guys. Last day of the training, day 12. So let's go over the issues you were facing. So let's start with undue excitement. What was it like, and where are we now?
We couldn't open the door without them scratching over the door and over the handles, growling over the people who came in.
This was with the guest.
Yes.
Okay.
So if it was
Maids,
100, it has
yes.
come down to 10 maybe. I mean,
हाँ.
this was not
This
possible
was
earlier.
not possible. We couldn't have sat like this, like standing like this, and they were sitting in the ground.
They would be pulling us
Never
यहाँ पे
would have
ऐसे,
happened.
ऐसे, ऐसे.
हाँ.
Okay. So with the guest and people, they are okay.
Very much fine.
Okay.
Now they keep sitting unless and until we say keep coming in.
Okay. Good. So let's refresh. The dark one is,
Bliss.
and the light one
Hope.
This is hope.
is hope. Okay.
But they were hopeless altogether.
Yeah, so I wanted to mention it, and every time I forget. For the kind of overexcited these, so make us sit again. All right. So for the kind of overexcited dogs these are, the names are
They don't match.
they undermatch actually, but that's okay. All right. So we'll keep working on it. Now
The
with the
names were for what they bring to us.
yeah,
It was we named them that way.
Yeah,
She
I
gave us
understand.
hope, she gave us extreme happiness.
for sure they bring us more than we
Yeah,
bring to
so
them. So for
That's
sure.
how we named them.
All right. So what about the lift? When you guys were going on a lift, how was that? And
So before, what they used to do was they used to jump as soon as the lift door opened, and they used to growl on the people also,
okay,
and sometimes even bark on the people coming in.
okay.
So now that has.
So that was just one of them or both of them? Okay. How is it now?
Scare the people who used to come in the lift.
Okay.
Now they are just sitting in the back,
Hmm.
and they are mostly in this position, relaxed position.
Okay. Nice. All right. So in general, the overexcitement is more or less manageable now.
They are much toned down.
Okay, great. What about the car? I think you guys had a challenge in getting them calm inside the car and also getting Bliss. You had to carry her, right?
Yeah, I had to totally carry her out.
What's the situation now in the car?
She gets in now much better now.
Okay,
It's not कि always she'll walk in easily, but she does get in better than before. We don't have to carry her all the way.
Okay.
पहले तो पूरा carry करना पड़ता था.
okay. What about Hope?
Hope तो is fine. पहले भी she used to step in.
To step in
We need to
herself.
give her a
We need
little
to give
nudge
her a
because she
little.
has a little
Medical problem. Okay, but for Bliss at least you don't have to now manually carry
Yeah,
her.
I had to carry her like a baby first.
Okay.
Initially.
So-
now she's herself putting her
She's
paws
putting
on
at
the
least
Okay.
her front legs inside, that little nudge
little
from the
nudge
back.
is taking her inside.
And in the car, how are they now?
So that was a huge problem. मतलब Hope तो used to bark at every four-legged creature.
Hmm.
मतलब cow दिख जाए, dog दिख जाए, and constantly.
Hmm.
अभी with the leash we sit, although
Hmm.
the one on the pillion side,
Hmm.
opposite to the driver, she keeps the leash in her hand and
Hmm.
just tugs her when she gets excited and she calms
She calms
down.
down.
You're talking about Hope.
Hope
How is Bliss?
was
Bliss
fine
was fine before
in the
also.
car.
Okay.
In the car she was fine.
Okay, get those seat belts for them from Amazon. Okay. All right. So now this one is actually pretty weird one. So you guys had challenged about Hope entering into your bedroom when Bliss was already there, right? Bliss didn't allow Hope to get inside. So tell me the routine, because Shumangi, at day one when I met you, you told me a routine you used to do. Can you tell me that?
We used to carry Bliss and we used to shut her in the bathroom first.
In your bedroom? Okay.
And then we used to carry her inside. and
Whom?
Then Hope used to come in and then we used to let Hope out. Sorry,
Bliss
Bliss
out.
out.
So
Okay.
after Hope was on the bed, then we used to Bliss out because then she would not attack her. Otherwise, she
But
would
if
go and
Bliss
attack
was already on the bed or she was in the bedroom,
Uh-huh.
we won't allow
allow her inside.
Hope to come inside or get on the bed.
Okay. So it was okay if Hope was already on the bed first.
Yeah, then
Okay, but Bliss won't allow Hope to climb.
And just
Okay.
at night, if they're both sleeping on the bed,
Hmm.
so if she used to make any movement, she used to growl
any
at her.
moment she couldn't even change her position on the
Who?
bed because she used to growl and then there used to be
Bliss
a
used to
fight.
growl at Hope.
If she moved around. Okay. So
Although she's the elder one, but somehow she was
dominated her
the.
inside the bed.
yeah, so for them, age or gender doesn't matter. It's just the energy. So what's going on now, guys? Where are we with the bedroom situation now?
It's improved a lot.
Uh-huh.
We bring them on the leash. I bring Hope on the leash. I make her climb the bed. She keeps Bliss on the leash, and she won't growl.
There is no
She's
growling.
calmer.
Okay, so Bliss can now enter the bedroom without.
Hope can
yeah.
enter.
Hope can enter without Bliss growling. Okay, that's
If we
nice.
feel the situation might escalate, we bring them on leashes,
Mm-hmm.
and they settle.
Then everything is calm.
Okay, so what's the situation now? Where are we with the bedroom now?
Now she's able to come inside on her own. She's not scared of her anymore and she doesn't
Okay.
growl on
If
her.
sometimes we feel कि इसकी body language से हमें लग रहा है कि गुस्सा
Hmm.
करेगी, then we put both of them on the leash.
Hmm.
She holds her on the bed, and I bring her. I just make her climb the bed. Totally fine.
Okay.
No growling, no gussa.
growling.
So,
No attacking.
so this you are saying in most situations you don't have to use the leash.
In most situations we don't have to.
So she's allowing Hope to climb on the bed. So you remember, guys, we haven't worked on this. Shubhangi, you told me that this is an issue which you are facing. I never worked with you guys, but this got automatically resolved because of two things. One is that just like weight loss, their personality develops as a whole. So areas where we have not worked on, they also get resolved. But also you guys have started taking charge, and they realize
That
that.
is the primary reason.
Right. Okay.
Now she sees कि they are under control. They are in charge, so I don't have to do anything.
She
So
backs off.
then she backs off from Hope. Okay. So that's good. At least you guys can have a good night's sleep now.
Yeah.
All right. So
So Lave, this was impossible earlier. Matlab,
It
if
was
they
one
are
of
out
the major
in the
issues
garden or
for us.
anywhere,
Mhm.
matlab, they used to be running or pulling or
They never used to sit
digging
like
or
this.
biting, chewing, anything. Matlab,
okay.
गुंडागर्दी करते रहेंगे.
Okay.
Not
They
sitting
wouldn't
like
sit
this.
like this.
All right. So that's good. Tell me what you were telling me, Shubhangi, about the vet situation. So that's another area which you told me that was a challenge for you, getting her to the vet. So tell me about it, and then I can speak.
So what used to happen with Hope was this one is very scared at the vets, so she would just get plastered to the wall and sit
Bliss.
in the corner. हाँ.
Okay.
तो इसको handle करना used to be easier, but then that one would get really defensive. She used to show all her teeth,
Hope.
growl a lot. हाँ, Hope. Growl a lot. It was really difficult to put a muzzle, and she used to jump a lot, scratch a lot.
Hmm.
So abhi I took her for a vaccination, and I was like alone taking her for the vaccination. I was able to control her. She didn't growl, and she allowed me to put on the muzzle easily.
Hmm.
No jumping, no getting scared.
Hmm.
She got her 2 vaccines done, and she did not even growl once at the vet.
So earlier she used to growl at the vet.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
much. We
Pura
used
ऐसे
to
she used to
have,
bare all her teeth. मतलब
Okay.
even under the muzzle you could feel I had
shouting
to
and
like
growling like anything.
hold her like this, मतलब full
Yeah.
ताकत से कि भाई
So no problem in putting on the muzzle.
No, no,
you
muzzle,
you
no.
did it yourself, Vivek.
that was never a problem. They never bit us or never were aggressive towards us.
But
Okay.
they would have
Putting
been
them-
jumping to get out of the room of the vet. So
Okay.
it was really difficult to put on the muzzle, physical because of the jumping and all.
All right. So this was
Abhi, she was very
much
quiet.
more relaxed,
हाँ.
and she allowed the vet to
Come
inject.
here, हाँ,
Not a
inject,
problem.
right.
Did she growl at the vet? She was okay.
Earlier तो जैसे वो she used to tear off the vaccines wrapper, she used to start
तो
growling.
उसका स्टार्ट हो जाता था थोड़ा घर
घर,
और वो बढ़ता जाता था, वो पास आ रहा है तो बढ़ रहा है एकदम
So she used to match the rhythm of the vet. Okay. All right. So again, that's an area we have not worked on.
Yeah.
So you guys, you told me this was an issue on day one.
Yeah, I was also surprised to see that it
Yeah.
was also.
So
not.
that's-
to be fair, मतलब that wasn't a primary issue, मतलब we
Yeah.
were okay कि मतलब वो नहीं भी resolve होगा,
हाँ,
but
we were
हाँ.
like कि ठीक है vet क्या ऐसे ही करते हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah, but you guys, this is one of the major issues with most people actually. The dog usually bites or growls when they groom or take him to the vet, and putting on the muzzle is a challenge. So again, this is an area which got resolved
Yeah.
because you guys started taking charge and they relaxed under your leadership, right? Okay, great. Tell me about the chews. That was another major issue. So they,
that was
what was
like
the problem and where are we?
major
That
problem.
was the issue why we.
I mean,
got you in the
had
first
she
place.
not been chewing, नावेद शायद हम आपको नहीं कॉल करते. Because हमारे लिए वही सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था. लीश पुल और वो सब हम हैंडल कर सकते थे, but she has chewed बहुत ज़्यादा.
So that was the top priority.
Top
That was the burning issue.
Yeah.
So what was the intensity? Can you
Oh.
tell me
So,
where we were?
intensity, she has chewed up our orthopedic mattress. She has
I mean,
chewed
we
up
have
our
nothing
sofa.
left in the house. Our
हाँ.
entire hall is empty.
It looks like a football ground right now.
Yeah, I saw
There's
that.
Nothing in the hall. Even wooden furniture she has chewed off. Upholstered everything she has
She used to
chewed
take
bits
stuff
and
from the
pieces.
kitchen and chew.
She has chewed up
Kitchen
knives,
के
back
हाँ.
handles of knives, scissors.
Okay.
Shoes and specs. So
वो
I
तो हम
don't
काउंट ही
even,
नहीं कर रहे हैं.
don't
मतलब हम
even
सिर्फ
count.
बड़ी चीजें काउंट कर रहे हैं, like ये
Sofas and
sofas
high
and
chairs.
high chairs.
So I saw your drawing room. It's bare.
Yeah,
Where,
it's
and
nothing.
even if you go to her bedroom, that's also mattress also she has chewed up.
Okay.
So
So where are we now with that?
okay. So regarding that, since past 4-5 days, since we have started using all the techniques you told us to stop the chewing, so she has tried to chew a few items, but since it tasted bad or since we tried whatever you told us to control that habit, that has reduced a lot.
Okay.
She tried to pick up a few items, but then after that she tried and then she stopped.
Okay.
So, earlier it was like even if you would take it back, she would again go and pick
Again
it
go,
up. and-
she'll keep on looking कहाँ छुपाया मतलब till the time वो destroy नहीं हो जाता.
All right. So it's not completely resolved, but it's
She's on the right track.
Right track.
okay.
and almost
So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being severe,
10 weeks,
the
we are
problem,
at
where are
3
we?
or 4.
3 or 4 now.
3 or 4. It's reduced to 3 or 4. All right. So that's good. So as you rightly said, keep working on it. You definitely need to drain both of them. That's the foremost reason. If you rule out any medical issues, that they are frustrated and they are spending that energy out on chewing items. So make sure they are properly drained with the exercise regimen that we talked about. And like you do, Shubhangi, you tuck them. Make sure that you address the chewing before she gets to it. Snap her out of it and make her relax. Okay. All right. So good. So this one, the next one is the last issue, which is the dog on dog aggression. Okay. So that they both had and still have a lot of the dog on dog aggression. So this is an area where I have not been able to resolve, especially with Bliss, right? So my own personal take on this is that this issue is still not resolved.
See, if you see there's a dog going by.
Where?
It just passed that. Passed him.
Yeah, I saw with the red t-shirt.
Yeah, it's taking him, right? तो
Earlier,
earlier तो
she
बाबा
would have been
मतलब
on the end of a leash.
हाँ ऐसे होते.
हाँ.
Okay.
Sitting.
अभी
At
they're
least
sitting.
मतलब
Right.
I'll take this as a win. Dog and dog aggression में.
Okay. So where are we now with what's your perspective on dog aggression? Where are we now?
I mean, see, as humans, we are also not very like. It doesn't mean that we have to like every other human, right? If she doesn't like certain dogs, it's fine with us. But she should not be pulling on the leash and
She
you know,
should not go
hurt,
to,
hurt other
bite or
dogs.
hurt every dog.
Haan.
That is what.
Is she doing that now?
No, she's
No. See, there is one more passing
हाँ,
behind
one
you.
more passing back. She'll come behind. Yeah,
हाँ,
that is
देखिए,
the
देखिए,
dog.
देखिए.
Okay.
She didn't even growl. She didn't even.
Yeah,
pick up.
so she has eye contact. So no affection during that time. You just need to tuck them out of it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So is she still lunging? Are both of them lunging at dogs on the
At
walk?
times, I
At
won't say
times.
totally
Hmm.
ठीक हो गया, but yes, पहले से बहुत better. मतलब manageable है. पहले बहुत मुश्किल होता था manage करना.
Okay. All right.
It's a lot more manageable.
Okay. So it's not completely resolved. It's on the path.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
on the path and much more manageable. which
Okay.
is very good.
So this is in contrast to what the Pitbull case I shared with you, the one which I managed with severe dog-on-dog aggression and who had also bitten his own caregivers. So that dog, I showed you the videos. That dog was resolved after 6 days of training, right? There was no dog-on-dog aggression and Ankita was herself able to let the dog meet with other dogs without muzzle, face to face. With these two, clearly the challenge for me was that they are severely fearful and excited dogs, both at the same time. So that's an explosive combination. We definitely need to prevent especially Bliss's excitement around dogs before she gets to them. So keep on working the way I showed you to manage both of them around dogs, tuck them before their brain escalates to excitement, and let's revisit it after a couple of months. Okay. All right. So for if we remove the dog aggression, which is what we have worked for the last 6 days, for the rest of the issues, how many days did it take to address and resolve them?
That guess thing started to resolve on the very first day. You saw,
Hmm.
you came the next day, and I think second day or the third day. You remember I was alone in the house
Yeah.
and I came to open the door and they were sitting while you
Hmm.
came in. So that was, I think, the second day or the third day only of the training.
Okay.
Leash pulling also got resolved.
Leash
Second
pulling
day.
also got resolved like the first day or the second day only.
So if we remove the dog-on-dog aggression, which is the last 6 days,
Abhi.
all right. So good recovery, right? So we need those challenges
Right.
for you to be able to manage them.
So
Make
apart from-
hope sit. So apart from the dog aggression, I think the rest of the issues got resolved in what?
Within 6 days.
About
Matlab
6 days?
Within
Okay.
6 days, everything was resolved.
Okay. All right. Last thing, any of your final feedback for me and for training at Dog Obey
Feedback.
once hope
Hard
settles
to-
down?
hard
Yeah, hard to say.
suggest
Because we
anything
were in
because
very bad shape actually.
we were in very bad shape, right?
so
So for us, and we had really low hopes that they'll improve, but they have shown tremendous improvement within a few days of training.
Okay, that's great. So you realize the prime reason for that is you guys have started taking ownership, the charge from these dogs, and they have more or less relaxed. So keep at that. Do all the exercises that we talked about, and keep working on this. Okay, and we will revisit for the dog aggression after some time. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you so much, Naveen.
Yeah.
Guys, if you like this video, please do like, subscribe and comment, and I look forward to see you next time. Take care. Bye.